Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your love situation and your career situation, Aquarius. So first, for your daily energies, we'll be picking 3 cards, guys, and for your career situation I'll be picking 1 card, and for your relationship 1 card, and we will be picking 1 card from the wisdom oracle deck, guys. So that will be your general guidance for today. So this is the card. I'll keep it here, and we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, Aquarius. So first, for your daily energies, guys, it's Queen of Cups, Queen of Wands in reverse, and Page of Wands. So these cards may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation, guys. So in your situation today, you are a person for whom action is important, and you do anything only when you have that deep conviction about your actions, and you are a very creative and passionate person. You are interested in some kind of creative art, and you are outspoken. You have that courage, and you are honest to yourself, so you speak out what you truly feel in your heart of hearts. You are a person of your words, guys. So you speak out the truth, and you stand by your philosophy or ideals, whatever you have for yourself. So people greatly appreciate you for that, for this quality of yours, for that honesty that you have. And you are a person who follows your heart. Just like I said, you are very honest. So when whatever actions or whatever choices that you take up in life, it is based on your intuition, or towards what you have that attraction. So you are a person who follows your heart. So that may be the reason that people are greatly attracted to you, guys, to your honesty. That is what I feel with these cards. So you are really honest, whatever the situation may be. And though you may have a good you are in a good position in work, and even in this connection, this relationship, that good understanding may be there with this person, but there are some stressful situations maybe in your relationship or in your career. There are people trying to compete with you and take over you, because they want to take your position, guys. So they see you as a competition. So that is also the energy here. So they want to compete with you, and they may be jealous or envious about you. That is also what I see with these cards for your daily energies, Aquarius. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. So this is the card. It's King of Pentacles in reverse. So again, with this card, just like I said, maybe in your career situation, there are people working against you. There is some kind of corruption involved in your work situation. Maybe the people you are working with, your colleagues or employees, they are not honest like you. So some corruption may be there. So that may be the reason for some stressful situations or some obstacles in your career situation, guys. So that is what I see. And maybe for some of you, because of your position, in your work situation, because you hold an important position. People under you, they may not be honest like you. That may be the reason for some stress for you guys. So whatever mistakes that they do, that may relate in your work. So some difficulties in your work because of that. That is what I see with this card here, Aquarius. So let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. Ace of Pentacles. So I see here that things are going well in your personal life, guys. So you will have that understanding love with this person, and maybe for some of you it may be a beginning, a new relationship, beginning of a new relationship. It may also denote that, and this relationship is flourishing. You have that deep understanding, connection with this person, and you both maybe from your past experiences, you know what you need to do and how you should be in a connection, the same way that other person has also had their learning. So from the learning from your past, you know what you need to do today, Aquarius, and you are able to have this deep connection with this person. So that is what I see with this card, guys. Maybe for some of you, if you are single, you may be seeing a new person with whom you may want to establish this new relationship, guys. So that is also what I see with this card here, guys, for your relationship, Aquarius. So let us see what is the card for your guidance. So this is a guidance card, guys. So this may or may not relate to your situation, but it is something that we can follow, which will make things go in a better way for us, guys. So let us see what is the card. Higher power. Just like we saw with the previous cards, you are a person who listens to your heart. So you do everything only when you have that inspiration, or when you have that attraction towards that choice in life. So it is the same thing with this card, guys. So whatever the situation is, when you listen to that intuition in you, you will know that choice or that particular path will always turn out to be right, guys. And the appearance of this card also means that you have a deep spiritual bond with this person, guys, with whom you are in connection with. So you may share that deep bond, that connection and familiarity with this person, and that person is there in this connection with you just to give you that growth and evolution. So that is what this card is about. The same way, when we are doing something important in our work situation, guys, when we have that intuition nudging us forward towards some choice that we can make today, when we go for that choice, things will shape up into such a beautiful path, guys. So whatever path you have, you are choosing for yourself based on your intuition, it will always turn out right, and you will know that things will work out for your benefit, Aquarius. So that is what these cards are about, guys, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.